Chapter 6. Let's continue our dates. Now, one thing I wanted to mention, that all months and days in German are masculine. So if you say the January, it's der Januar. If you say May, it's der Mai. All right, so they're all der words, they're masculine. Now, how do we say today is the 5th of October? Heute ist der, remember I told you it's a der word, der. 5th is fünfte with an E. October. We do not say of in German. Heute ist der 5. Oktober. And now I'm writing it a different way. Heute ist der 5. I can just write the number 5 with a period afterwards, and the period signifies the ordinal number. So I can say heute ist der 5. Oktober without writing out the number. Now, how do we say the 13th of May? What are the two ways we can say it? We can say der 13. Mai, right? Or der 13 in a numeral period followed by the month. Der 13. Mai. The 24th of December. Der 24. That's a long word. Der 24. Dezember. Or we can say der number 24 plus period and the month afterwards, der 24. Dezember. So, writing the numeral with the period is much easier than writing out these big long numbers, okay? Now, the month is frequently written as an ordinal number. What does that mean? So instead of saying May or Mai, May is the 5th month in the year, so we use the number 5, right? June is the 6th month of the year, so it would be signified by number 6. So, Mai, 5th month, July, 7th month, November is the 11th month. Now in German, we write the date and the year differently. The sequence when you write a German date is the day comes first, the month second, and the year is last. So, day and month. So der 12. 6. What would that be? That would be the 12th of June, right? 12th of June. Der 30.12. 30 is the day, 12th is the month. So it would be the 30th. The 30th of December. Okay, this is the easiest way of writing it. And then, of course, the date, whatever the year, 2011. But that's very important that the Germans write the day first and the month second. So, let's find out when your birthday is. How do we ask for that? We say, wann ist dein Geburtstag? When is your birthday? And the answer would be, mein Geburtstag ist am, which means on. And then we just write the numbers. 30. 12. And this is what it looks like written out. Am 30. 12. Am requires en on the numbers because it's an adjective. So whenever you see you must add an sten or tn to the number. So am 30.12. 30 is the day, 30th, 12 is the month, which is December, so my birthday is on the 30th of December. Or we can say am 6.6. Alright, 6 is the day, right? The 6th, and the 6th month of the year is June. So It is on the 6th of June. Right, let's see how we could say, when we ask the question, der wievielte ist morgen? Remember we did that a little while ago? What day is tomorrow? Der wievielte ist morgen? And I told you the article needs to be reflected in the answer. So we can say morgen, tomorrow ist der 2.10. So what is der 2.10? That's the day, it's the second. 10 is the month, so it's October. So it's the 2nd of October, right? Or we can say the same question in an accusative form, den wievielten haben wir? And we can answer, den 5.7. Now, what is that? 5 is the day, and 7 is the month, right? So it's July. So today is the 5th of July. It's a little confusing, but if you think it through and practice it a little bit, you should understand it okay. Now, my last question is, wann ist Neujahr? When is New Year's Eve? Wann, the answer is am, right? Here are the numbers. Am 31.12. day und month. So it's am 31. on the 31st, 12. is a December. So it's on the 31st of December. So good luck with practicing.